Hello friends, is your check engine light on, and are you noticing poor engine performance, rough idling, or excessive exhaust smoke? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0547, it means your exhaust gas recirculation sensor circuit is reading too low. Ignoring this issue can lead to increased emissions, engine misfires, and possible overheating. In this video I'll explain what P0547 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. The P0547 code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation Sensor Circuit Low. This means the engine control module is not receiving the correct signal from the EGR temperature sensor. The sensor plays a crucial role in regulating exhaust gas recirculation, helping to control emissions and maintain engine efficiency. Common symptoms of P0547. Check engine light is on, poor acceleration or engine hesitation. Excessive smoke from the exhaust, reduced fuel efficiency, higher than normal engine temperature. If you're experiencing these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0547, check these key components. EGR temperature sensor. Location, typically mounted on the EGR tube near the exhaust manifold or intake manifold. EGR valve. Location, located near the engine intake, often attached to the exhaust system. EGR sensor wiring and connectors. Location, wiring runs from the EGR sensor to the ECM, usually along the engine bay. Tip: a faulty EGR sensor can cause carbon buildup, leading to restricted airflow and performance loss. Common causes of P0547, faulty EGR temperature sensor. If the sensor is damaged or clogged with carbon, it may send incorrect readings. Damaged or corroded wiring. A broken connection can prevent the sensor from communicating with the ECM. Faulty EGR valve. If the valve is stuck open or closed, it can affect exhaust gas flow and trigger this error. Excessive carbon buildup. Carbon deposits inside the EGR system can restrict exhaust flow. ECM malfunction, a rare case where the ECM fails to process the sensor signal properly. How to fix P0547. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0547 code. Step 2. Inspect the EGR temperature sensor for physical damage or carbon buildup. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for any breaks, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 4. Test the sensor resistance using a multimeter while applying heat to see if it changes values. Step 5. Clean or replace the EGR valve if necessary. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0547 can lead to increased emissions, poor engine performance, and overheating. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0342, camshaft position sensor circuit low. Input P0343, camshaft position sensor circuit high. Input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.